amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Good morning from here. How are you guys doing? Guys, another vlog. Okay, you're going to spend the day with me today because I'm going to be doing some certain things here in the house. And yeah, you guys will be spending the day with me, okay? Because today, this hair, guys, I'm going to be losing it, as well as doing my wig. I did a wig last night, which I will show you guys, and because I wanted to do like center party, and I will show you guys like how to do it. The kids, they have already gone to school, and I'm here alone with the baby. Baby is sleeping right now, and I'm trying to make my smoothie. Let me go ahead and show you guys like what I'm going to using for this smoothie this morning. This is the smoothie that I take like every morning, if it's not like most of the time, like 5 or 6 times in a week. And thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate each one of you. Like, you guys have been amazing in this channel. God bless every one of you. So guys, let me go ahead and show you guys like what I'm going to use for this smoothie this morning. I have here, I have a banana. I think I will be using just one, and I have a avocado. Here I have maca root. I don't think that I have ever done a smoothie without using this maca root. Like, it will be so helpful in your sex life. And overall health is very good. So right here I'll be using this yogurt. This is a lactose free, and I have milk here is also lactose free, and I have spinach over there. This is the wig that I did last night. I just, gather some of my old hair together, and then I use it to do wig, and this is the outcome. I washed it last night as well. The front so that I use for this wig, it doesn't have any parting, so that's why I'm going to create it for myself, because that's why I have this hair. I'm still taking my smoothie, guys. So I have this hair, and I have comb. So I have a concealer that I will use to to make the part visible, and I have this brush that I'll be using to put the concealer. So that is what I'll be doing right now before I go ahead and lose my hair. First thing I have to do is to use comb to know exact place that I want to create the part. Yeah. So now that I know where my part is going to be, I have used this comb to create it. What I have to do now is to use this and then remove some hair here so that the part can be so visible. I don't want the parting to be too wide, so definitely I'm going to be careful and remove some hair here. So guys, as you can see right now, I have gotten the desired party that I want. So the next thing I have to do now is to bring the wig out, and then I'm going to be using my concealer so that the lace will be the same color as my skin, So I'm going to be using this concealer here, and then put it in the party here. Like this. You can as well put it all over the lace in case if you want to create another part as well, but for this one I don't think I'm going to create another part. So here is already okay. Then I'm going to use the brush to make it, you know, smooth. I think it's okay now. I'll go ahead and put it back and see how it looks. So guys, this is the final look of the party that I just created. If you see this hair last night, like how this hair was, you can just tell me to go and throw it away, but I know that I'm going to do something about the hair, and the hair definitely is going to come out, you know, pretty. I'll put the clip here so that you guys can see how the hair was looking before and then here now. So if you have like old hair that I'll be using, like the hair is tired and you want to transform it into a wig, I'm going to transform it to a beautiful wig. Okay, so yeah, that is my handwork. Right now, I'll go ahead now and lose my hair. This is almost like 6 weeks now that I did this cornrow. So right now, I'll go ahead and lose it because I don't want my edges here to pull out. When it carries your hair like too long, it's going to pull out some hair in your edges here, especially when you do like a cornrows. Let me go ahead and start losing it, guys. I'm still drinking my smoothie, so it's almost finished. I don't even know where my hair stopped. I think here. Let me cut it so that it will be more easier for me to lose. I need to lose it like so fast before my baby wakes up. So guys, there is this picture that I saw on Facebook, you know. So the lady is my friend, as in Facebook friend. She posted her daughter's picture on Facebook. So the girl just did like post, like put her finger in her mouth, then use one of her hand and put in her boots like this and do like this. Oh my God. And her mother snapped her. This girl is just like 4 to 5 years. This girl is not up to 5 years. And the mom snapped the picture and even put it on the Facebook. I wanted to write to her that this is not right. Like, this is not right. What is she portraying? Like, what is she trying to put out there? Especially when it concerns a child, guys. We really need to be careful. 4 to 5 years little girl. What is she doing? Like, what is the meaning of that? I said, no, I have to write to her. Because in Africa, if you see a child that is, you know, doing something wrong, despite it's not your child or what, but since it's in Africa, we do correct kids there. You know, despite it's not from you or it's not your family member, but since you have seen a child that are doing something wrong, you're definitely going to correct that child, because nobody knows it all. Even me, I'm still learning, guys. I'm still learning, and I'm still taking some corrections from people, you know. So, but in comment section, so people were telling her that it's not right, that the child is too young for this, you know, that she is exposing the child, you know. But the lady was, you know, answering them that it doesn't concern anybody, that is her child, that she can do whatever that you want to do. Guys, when I see those comments, man, I just, you know, stop. I said, since people have already told her that this is not right, and she defending, she said that it doesn't concern anybody, that is her child. I said, okay, let her be. So we really need to be careful what we are putting there, because these kids, they are so smart, guys. They are so smart. Whatever we are doing, they're looking at us. That's why we need to be careful as a parent. Let me tell you guys this story. Like when Blessing was 5 to 6 years, so I went to kindergarten, I picked her. So we are coming back, we are gisting. I was telling her like how this life is. You know, what's the first thing that she have to do? She have to go to kindergarten. After kindergarten, primary school. After primary school, secondary school. Then university, she will come out, she will start working. Before she start talking about marriage. And after marriage, then children will start coming by the grace of God, if the person wants, you know, children. So, but then, you know what Blessing asked me? Blessing asked me, but mommy, that I have her before we did our wedding. My God, I was shocked. I said, how? Why? Why did you say that? She said, yes, because in our wedding picture, that she is there, so that we already have her before we did our wedding. Guys, I opened my eyes. I said, oh my God. Then I start telling her that in our culture, you know, when we do like a traditional wedding, the person is already married. When they pay your bride price, you are already married. You having child from them is not a sin. So she not asked me that she thought that it's only one wedding that somebody have to do. I said yes, but in our culture we have to do like traditional wedding, which everybody even cherish most. I prefer traditional wedding to white wedding. That is me. I'm not against white wedding, but for me, if somebody asks me like which one do I have to choose, I will choose traditional wedding, because there's a lot of things involved in that traditional wedding. The person have to pay your bride price, your own father have to bless you. So for me, I believe that traditional wedding is most important. I'm just putting this out there. This is me talking, because we all have our own opinion. So then I told Blessing that in our culture we have to do like a traditional wedding, pay your bride price. That after you do that, if the couple decided not to do white wedding, they can go ahead and be having kids, you know. So Blessing said okay, because after our traditional wedding, I have Blessing. So we do our wedding, which is court wedding. That is where Blessing, you know, saw herself, and she was asking me that why did I have her before I do my wedding. So guys, that is it, guys. That is why we need to be careful the kind of life we live. If we really want to our kids to be there, you know, where we want them to be, first of all, be what we want our kids to be. That question Blessing asked that day really shocked me. That's why I know that these kids, they are so smart, they are so intelligent. So whatever we are doing as a parents, we really need to be careful, especially when you have kids around you that are watching, you know, because you are example to that case. Yeah, the behavior and characters we are showing in front of them is very, very important. Kids, they learn so fast. So that lady that put that little girl picture, everybody trying to correct her, but she said no, that is her child, that she have right to do whatever that she want to do with her. So I believe that very soon, by the grace of God, that she will understand, you know, the concept of this life, that parenting is a task, like it's very difficult. If you not take care, you might make mistake along the road, and it's going to affect the kids in future. Yeah. So I say let me just put it out there. So guys, I'll go ahead now and finish losing this my hair, guys. So guys, I'm not losing my hair. This is how my natural hair is looking like, guys. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to prepare my hair with oil, conditioner it, wash it. Yes, I'm going to be giving my hair treat today, because it's been like almost 1 month plus now. So the hair really need the attention right now. So for that reason, I'm going to be ending this vlog here. Thank you so much for spending some minutes with me this morning. I really appreciate you all. And if today is your first time here, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate each one of you. Like, you guys are amazing. May God Almighty bless each one of you. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.